Hey guys, my name is Darla Rodriguez and welcome to my channel. So I'm turning over a new leaf. I'm going to give you, or I'm going to do my best to give you information in 7 minutes or less that would be valuable and help you make a decision on a product that maybe you're searching for. So here we go. Subscribe and let's go. So what we're talking about today is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Care and Glow new foundation that they just launched. It's a new foundation for Lancome. I will say I am a fan of Lancome Cosmetics. I have Teint Idole, the oil-free matte version. I have Renergy Lift, the anti-aging version. I have Teint Idole Ultra Wear Concealer for all over your face or to just touch up here and there version. I have the Teint Idole Makeup Stick oil-free matte version. And now I have their brand new one. If you've watched videos in the past, I did a video, Teint Idole versus Teint Miracle. Unfortunately, I don't have that one anymore because I believe they've stopped selling it in the US. Super bummer because that was my all-time favorite. But to get to what we're talking about today is the brand new foundation. Now, the difference in this one and the Teint Idole original, right off the bat, this is matte, this is not. This is oil-free, this is not. This has hyaluronic acid that's going to plump the skin and give you that glow. They are both 24-hour wear. They both are transfer resistant. That is the contrast, the similarities, and this one is medium full coverage. This one is medium coverage. Now, with this one, and I have purchased it a while ago. I've worn it a few times. The color is not my best choice, but I ordered it online. So that is something, I'm in the 300s range. I do 340, 320. This is 330. Renergy was 260. That was my lightest version, but I'm in that range. So I went with this one. I typically do a neutral undertone. Again, it's not going to be spot on, but I've been wearing it because honestly, I love it. So I have not worn Teint Idole, the original, because it gets too dry on my skin because it is oil-free, but I've always loved the look because it's just flawless when you put it on. Well, now they've fixed that because what I did is I went with the Renergy Lift because it's anti-aging and I still love it. I'll wear this as well, but I love that this has an ingredient in it and gosh, I can't think of it right off the bat, but it helps with the wearability. So I will say the difference between Renergy, this is 12-hour, this is going to be 24-hour. So I'm going to apply just a little bit on my side of my face here. I just kind of do three. Now, 3 different ways you can do it. You can use your hands for a very, very skin-like finish. You can use a sponge for a dewier finish, or you can use a brush, which that is my tool of choice for just a little bit more coverage finish or coverage in the application. The finish, I'm sorry, I was saying finish with all those. The finish is a natural finish. So here you have it. It's a fabulous, oh, I got a little hair there. It is a fabulous foundation. I love it. Again, I guess I am partial because I love the majority of Lancome foundations that I try. They don't always work for me, but the most of the time they do. They've killed it with this one. Like, I love it. It's the best of both worlds because I've always loved Teint Idole. It just didn't love my skin because I am on the older side and I just don't wear oil free anymore. It doesn't work for me. I get cracks. So this one wears nicely, moves with the skin nicely. Very natural finish. Again, it's 24-hour wear, transfer resistant. I didn't mention yet, but it has a SPF 27. And if you need oil-free, this is not the foundation for you. But if you love hyaluronic acid and getting a little plump and having a little bit of that glow, then you need to try this out because it's fabulous. So I don't know where I am on my 7 minutes, but I think I need to go. So you click that thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, I can answer them for you. And I will see you next time. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.